A local group is demonstrating the Oklahoma standard this week by helping out residents whose homes were damaged in Tuesday night storms. Fox 25's Grant Palmer shows us how.
After storms brought damaging hail to the OKC metro this week, a group of veterans are vetting contractors with drone technology to prevent homeowners from getting scammed.
We're doing the extensive research on these guys. We're checking the criminal and civil background check. We're checking with the Construction Industries Board. We're making sure they're licensed. They have to provide us with proof of their insurance. We just go out there and make sure that they're the right people and that we're protecting Oklahomans.
That's what Chris Guarnera says is the main mission of Blue Falcon Aerial, especially after a storm where scammers are looking to prey on vulnerable people whose homes are damaged. Guarnera, who is also a drone instructor at Francis Tuttle Institute of Technology, tells me they use drones to inspect people's damaged roofs. Once finished, they connect the homeowners to vetted roofers who Guarnera says are heavily evaluated.
There's an aggressive vetting process. We have dozens of roofers who have applied for our program, and right now I think we only have 8. So essentially, when we ask for these different bits of information, they're usually not able to provide that information.
And if they can't provide that information, Guarnera says there's a good chance they could be fraudulent. Avery Smith with the Oklahoma Roofing Contractors Association says in addition, swindling contractors will also be aggressive.
If they try to get up on your roof, or they won't get up on your roof without a signed contract, or high pressure tactics.
Smith adds one of the biggest ways to know if a contractor is fraudulent is if what they're offering seems too good to be true, like offering to take care of your deductible, which he says could lead to the contractor or homeowner being guilty of insurance fraud. Guarnera says they've already flagged a handful of contractors this week.
I know personally we have sent 10 different contractors to the CIB ourselves, and I've actually just got about 3 text messages in the last hour from people asking me to report them as well.
Guarnera says they provide all their services to homeowners free of charge, and add that it's not only a pleasure to serve their country, but also their community. Reporting in Edmond, Grant Palmer, Fox 25 News.